Already? Okay. Time to go wake up Dad. Time to go wake up Dad. I'm scared today. Dad. Help his shoulder. Good morning.
What the heck? Don't ever scare me like that ever again. What's wrong with you?
Okay. Time to get ready.
Try to get ready. It's morning already.
Exactly.
I just had a good sleep though. How's it already in the morning? Well, maybe I should go back to bed. I'm gonna go lay down real quick. I think I need a little bit of nap real quick. Let's go in Lexi's room. Okay. Ooh, looks like a comfy bed right here.
Fall asleep in my bed and I'll get you.
Oh.
Get out of bed.
Um.
Go to the bathroom, wash your face to wake up.
I just want to lay down just real quick.
No.
Why?
No. Go to the bathroom and wash your face.
Brother!
I gotta go check outside. That's right. Go to the bathroom. Bye. Go. Push his him.
Okay. Lexi.
Hey, Dad, I just made some breakfast.
Oh, it smells good. Do you make some orange juice?
You want some orange juice?
Actually, no, I'll make my coffee. I need my coffee.
Okay. You want some orange juice?
Alright, got my coffee.
I'll make me some pineapple juice, actually.
Alright,
Why do you always gotta take my seat?
I don't know. But let me eat this real quick. Give me a second. That food was good.
Yeah, I agree. Was that the best?
Yeah. What?
Was that the best at cooking?
I just need to go take another little nap in your room.
No. Come out my room before I go ahead and get you. Get out my room.
Why?
Go sleep on the couch.
I'm about to go home.
Yeah, you can go home.
Oh, whoa.
Hey! Oh my God! The diamond stuff is here. Even the air fryer.
Air fryer. You never told me you ordered an air fryer. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, the dining table and the chairs.
Come on, Dad. Help me get these boxes in. You take the things and I'll take the other ones.
Okay. These
Oh,
are
and there's some for the bathroom as well.
What?
There's some for the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Because remember we ordered bathroom details last night? Last night.
Oh, yeah, we did. Let me just put all of this in there. Do you order pink stuff? Pink supplies?
Pink stuff?
Yeah.
For what?
For your bathroom.
Yeah?
Oh, okay. Okay, let's get to work. Alright, the last box right there. Let's see, where are you?
Right here.
Where? Oh. The air fryer right there. The dining table stuff. And I'm just gonna see
And we have the bathroom details as well. Look at all these boxes. We're gonna have so much unpacking to do.
Yep. We just move in, and everything will be secured and no problem left.
Yeah.
And we might order a new couch. Or
why you say that?
Do you want to keep this couch or order a new one?
I want to keep this.
Okay.
Couch so comfy. Like, look at it.
But what about, you want to add a couch in your room? Maybe?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
you order one?
Yes.
You go order one, I'll start unpacking, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the dining table. Alright, let's wash, shampoo. And the bathroom is all done. Have to put all the LED lights. I have to climb on the counter to put it on. Oh, bare feet. I need to put some socks on. See what Lexi's doing. Lexi.
Hey, Dad, we forgot one more box.
Oh, I forgot to put that there. We just put that in the garage. We'll set it up later.
This is the
I'm
air
tired.
fryer.
Yeah, I'm tired. I just feel like setting up anything. I see you added a couch. You finally added a couch.
Yeah,
wait, did you
like it?
Yeah, where you get it from?
This couch in the store. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Shows him.
Whoa. That's cheap. Cheap. $30 for this couch? It's crazy. And
come on.
You bought this carpet too?
Yeah, I got this carpet. I went to my bathroom.
Look what I did in your bathroom.
Ooh, so really fun.
I paint the walls.
Yeah. And we got LED.
And I added all the stuff. And yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stop playing. And I think everything is secure in your house now.
Yeah, I agree. We just need to set up the air fryer and the toaster.
Yeah.
I ordered.
Wait a minute. Let me check the news. Alright, looks like I'm gonna watch the news real quick. Well, hold on. Let me watch this news real quick. Give me 1 second.
Hello, everyone, Bloxburgs. Make sure get ready for a hurricane and make sure to get a lot of groceries. Goodbye. Have fun.
Oh my gosh. Lexi.
Yeah?
There's a hurricane coming today.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. We need to get ready. Bless you. We need to get ready. Okay. I'm gonna go.
It's foggy. It's foggy. It's foggy. It's foggy.
Oh my god.
It's foggy outside. We could have updated these chairs while we had a chance.
I like these chairs.
No, I don't like it.
Why?
We could have updated them.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my clothes on. I forgot where I put my clothes at. Oh yeah, it's in the laundry room.
Yeah, go ahead and let us stay close.
Alright, let me put some on. Okay, I got my clothes on, my chain on. I got the chain on because I want to wear it. Lexi.
Yeah.
You have to put some jacket on, something. It's about to rain.
Oh yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick.
You know it's almost spring break. No, that right?
Yeah, I know it's almost spring break.
We should go to a beach house soon.
Beach house, safe the rain. Let me go ahead and can you get outside and put on a jacket? Thank you.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for you in the car.
In my Jeep or yours?
My car.
Okay.
Alright, I'm waiting for you. Street. Where is Lexi? Finally.
Oh God, it's raining out here.
I
And plus,
know.
it's thundering.
We need to go. Where are we supposed to go again?
You said grocery store for
Yeah.
groceries.
Yeah, we need some more snacks.
Why are we going this way?
Oh,
Dad,
I don't know. I just want to go this way.
this is the longest way.
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay, then I should have taken my car myself.
Oh, no. You don't have to do all that. We're still almost there anyways. We're just taking this side. I forgot that this was the... Okay, this doesn't matter, okay? We're still going to the grocery store, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, where are we at? This way? Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Ooh, thunder.
Oh, no.
Dad, you get on your side of the road.
Oh, sorry. Alright, we are here at the BFF grocery store.
Good. Now pull into this parking lot. Now.
Excuse me? Look, you pay for your own
Try to
money.
get out.
You pay for your own money because it's your house, so I'm not paying for nothing. You pay for something. I know we need a bunch of water though. And beans.
I'll get some.
Oh, let's see. Can you get some beans?
Oh no, I'm not getting some beans.
Why?
I'll get some beans for you. But I'm not getting the beans for myself.
Fine.
You want some beans? Here, I'll get you 2 cans.
Yay!
You're acting like a kid. Anyway, whatever.
Get a bunch of water. Get like 15 of them. I think we need more beans. I think we need more beans, right? I think we need more beans. More beans? More beans?
I'll get you some more cans. That's all.
No, 5 cans. Hey!
That or now I'm about to get. I'm getting ready.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Wait, you're trying to live? No, you're trying to. What's wrong with you? No. You can't be doing that.
I didn't do it. I said thank you.
Okay, it's cash in. Alright, come on. Bless you. Keep sneezing. Alright.
Alright, come on, get inside the car. Get inside the car. You taking too long.
I think I need to go somewhere real quick. It's gonna turn this way.
Oh God.
Just in case I get hungry.
Go where?
Nowhere. I just need to go somewhere real quick.
Tell me.
No. That was loud. That thunderstorm was super loud. Oh my god. That thunderstorm.
I agree.
I think we need to hurry up. Oh my god. Go to the ship that we got your first Jeep.
Yeah, and it's $90 still.
$90? You mean $90,000?
90.
Okay, whatever you say. Alright, we are here at the Pizza Planet. You stay in the car, okay?
Okay. You gonna get pizza?
Yeah. I need my pizza. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Can y'all hurry up? I don't have all day. Sir. Oh, thank you. Sir! I was there first. Okay. Ma'am! Okay. Hey, sir. Oh my gosh, you're doing the most. Get out. I was here first. Okay. Sir! You need to stop. I need my food. I hate y'all pizza. I'm going to order pizza. I'm not doing this today. Y'all doing too much. Oh my gosh, y'all always doing too much. These salons, people, stupid, ugly people. Always doing too much. Okay, Lexi.
What happened?
I'm just gonna order some pizza. These
When we
people
get home?
keep cutting the line, so I'm just gonna order pizza. I am very, very tired. Let's get ready. Okay, we're almost here at the house. And later on, I'm going back home, Lexi.
Okay.
It was a good day at your house. Alright, come on. We have to upload these,
Thank you.
upload these stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Get the bag.
I got my bag. I got it. Why?
Alright,
Let's put the umbrella down. That's that look that.
I'm sorry. I guess where everything's good. I'm about to order some pizza. Okay. I just sent you my address. Lexi,
Yeah.
open the door. Well, I'm about to go home. I'll see you later. I might visit again. I don't know, probably next weekend.
Okay. Not mine.
Okay, have fun in your new house.
I will. Bye.
Bye. You forgot to close your door, your back door.
At least it's not the other door. Come on. Let me in.
And open these blinds. Oh, actually, you have to close the blinds for this turning
Yeah.
on.
That's why I was going to my room before you came.
Alright, well, bye, Lexi.
Bye.
Have a great time.
Alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Give me it.
I'm gonna go change into my pajamas. Bye.
Bye. Alright, let's go in this car. I'm gonna go home. Ooh, I can't wait to go home. Go to sleep. Take me a nap in my own bed. Almost home. I can't wait to go to sleep. Ooh. Let's back up this car. Let's see my other car doing. Doing great, baby. Okay, turn these lights on. Everything's good. I'm super tired. Oxygen, turn off this light. Oh, it's like he moved out. It's crazy. Also really good. We've been my house in a long, probably like a day. Never leave my house for a day. Well, actually I did. Close these blinds. Turn that off. That's loud. And then, let's take me a nap. I'm gonna go to bed. Okay guys, this will be the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell for all to get know me, and make sure to comment. And I'll be sure to link my Discord server down below in the comments. And Lexi, what's your question?
What? Have you guys ever been in a hurricane storm?
Yeah, have y'all ever been in a hurricane storm? Hurricane storm is the most like I don't know how to say it, but it's like really powerful and so. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Okay, well, see you guys. Bye.